This is the afternoon weather update. We're live. This is Wednesday, the 5th of July. I'm James Spann doing this update at 2:40 this afternoon. Things are relatively quiet. It's warm and it's muggy. Temperature's a little below average and a few storms are around. Let's go right to the radar. And that's kind of a classic summertime look there. Random, scattered showers and storms across the state. Not raining everywhere, but a few spots getting a good downpour. First off, in North Alabama, got some pretty decent storms through parts of Winston, Lawrence, Morgan, and Cullman counties, kind of in that broad zone between Cullman and Moulton. And they're gradually moving on to the east and increasing in intensity, but they're under severe limits, producing gusty winds, heavy rain, some thunder, and some lightning. I got a few scattered showers developing over the eastern counties of the state, fairly widely separated. And the more intense storms are down here in the southwestern counties of the state. It's been fairly active today for South Alabama. Thunderstorms in progress over parts of Choctaw, Clark, southern Marengo, and Monroe counties. And again, those could be producing some small hail and gusty winds. But at the moment, everything is currently under severe limits across the state. Check the upper air look, and that just looks like summertime. The mid-latitude westerlies to the north up around the Canadian border. We have a flat ridge down here across the deep south, the 588 ridge. And the visible satellite view, you can see we have the sky partly sunny for the northern half of the state, those scattered thunderstorms down to the south. This is the radar composite a little earlier this afternoon. Temperatures as of 2 o'clock, not that bad. Many spots are under 90. For example, Tuscaloosa, 89. Anniston and Gadsden, 86. The same for Cullman. Birmingham at 90. Down to the south, Dothan, 77 because of clouds and rain. Mobile, 82. So again today, temperatures well below average, but of course the humidity values are sky high. A relatively quiet day across the nation in terms of watches and warnings. Here's the severe weather outlook for the rest of today and tonight. SPC has kind of removed that marginal risk for the northern two-thirds of the state. They're maintaining a marginal risk over South Alabama through the evening hours. This is tomorrow. Got a risk of severe storms, an enhanced risk over parts of Kansas, eastern Colorado, and northwest Oklahoma. And day 3, which is Friday, got a risk of severe storms out across the heartland. Here's a look at rain for the next 7 days. And, of course, these maps are tough in summertime because of the uneven distribution, the scattered nature of the storms we see every day. But average amounts, about 1.5 to 2.5 inches between now and Wednesday morning of next week. And the tropics remain amazingly quiet. You can see no tropical storm formation expected in the short term or the long term. Model fans, here we go, the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 3 o'clock. And again, you can see a typical summer pattern. The main jet stream well to the north, flat ridge, and more summer-like weather. Partly sunny, scattered afternoon and evening showers and storms around. And the high will be at or just over 90 in most spots, and the same thing on Friday. And really, the formula is not going to change for a while. This is Saturday and this is Sunday for the weekend. Again, a mix of sun and clouds with the chance of afternoon and evening showers and storms in random scattered spots. Not raining everywhere, but if you're under one of those things, it'll come down heavily and you'll get gusty winds, thunder and lightning and all that. Most of the storms between 2 and 9 p.m. Highs for the weekend around 90 in most spots. And next week, things aren't changing much. There's Monday and there's Tuesday. And a week from today, really, this map is more important this time of the year, the upper air look. And again, the main wave train well to the north of 594 heat ridge, not across the southwest United States. And for us, the weather just not changing much. So let's go out 10 days. This is Saturday, the 15th of July. Heights up a little bit. But again, that's pretty standard summertime stuff. Hot, muggy, a few pop-up storms, highs most likely low 90s. Rain for Birmingham coming off the GFS ensemble. You're looking for the green line on that chart. That's the mean of the ensemble members, a little over 3 inches between now and the 20th of July. Check out temperatures coming off the national blend of models for Birmingham. And again, most days upper 80s, low 90s. Lows mostly in the low 70s. And hot off the presses, got the brand new 8 to 14 day guidance. This is for July 13th through July 19th. And if this works out, temperatures will be a little above average. So one more time, let's go back to the radar. I know most of you watch this later, but many do watch live. We're doing this live on both YouTube and Facebook at 2:45 Central Time. Going to give you a quick little radar tour here. Got some showers and thunderstorms up in North Alabama. Get up Highway 157 from Cullman to Moulton. Over at Interstate 65 in Morgan County. Storms north of US 278 in northeastern Winston County under severe limits. And let's look at the Mobile radar. And you can see what's happening down in South Alabama. Random scattered showers and storms. Got some pretty decent ones coming through Mobile and Baldwin counties. But again, they're under severe limits. Had some pretty good shelf clouds today. And again, we've had some on the beaches, but not that much rain. You know, get a storm, it comes through, and it passes right on by. And again, the heavier storms are in this zone right here through parts of Choctaw, Clark, Monroe counties down in southwest Alabama. And once the sun goes down, those will slowly fade away. And by 9 or 10 o'clock, most of those will have gone to bed for the day. So that's it for the afternoon update back on the two-a-day schedule here. If you're new here, if you're a noob, we typically do these in the morning at about 5:15 Central, in the afternoon about 2:45 Central. We simulcast on Facebook and YouTube. And we have notes on our blog. That's our supplemental blog that goes with this, AlabamaWX.com. Had a great time today at Children's of Alabama, downtown Birmingham. Always fun for Weather Wednesday. Had a big group there. Tomorrow, Eagles Wings. That is a great ministry over in Tuscaloosa County in Coker. And then Friday, I will be at the Oxford Public Library in Calhoun County for their summer reading program. That's a 9 o'clock start. I hope to see a lot of folks there. No book signing on Saturday. We'll pick it back up on the 15th and 22nd. I know on the 22nd, I'll be down at Jim's Pit Barbecue in Billingsley. That's going to be a good one. They got a big car show, and that'll be fun. That's one, long-time viewers know that's one of my hangouts there. That'll be on the 22nd, but we'll post details as we get closer. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening. And don't forget Weather Brains tonight at 7. We're doing a Wednesday night special. Again, tonight, Greg Sankey, the commissioner of the Southeastern Conference, will be our guest, and his daughter, Hannah Strong, a television meteorologist in Kentucky. And a lot to talk about. We'll be live at 7 Central on the Weather Brains YouTube channel, youtube.com/weatherbrains. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.